Good morning, everyone. Here is the Sanibel Island update for the week as of September 19th, 2023. I have a couple of things to go over, but first, I will not be posting an update next week. September 24th is my birthday, and if you followed my channel long enough, you know I'm always out of town on my birthday. Well, this trip, I'm not taking my laptop. I plan to look at my phone very little. It's going to be like no work vacation whatsoever. So sorry, no update next week. And but I will say that if you plan on coming to Sanibel Island for a vacation, I highly recommend you going to their website, mysanibel.com, and signing up for their emails. They don't send tons of emails, so they're not going to be like overwhelming you with emails, but they do send out a notification every time they post on their page with a memo, and one of their main memos they do are traffic advisories. This is very important if you're on the island. So they posted 2 traffic advisories today, which is kind of rare, but it's good to know, especially if you're on the island, because if you're trying to get off and you can't figure out why traffic is backed up, these advisories will tell you why. So in the morning, this morning, traffic on the Sanibel Causeway was affected by a disabled vehicle and the Department of Transportation paving operations. So as a result, heavy traffic and delays are currently expected on the Sanibel Causeway. So that also tells me if they're doing paving right now for the next couple weeks, I'm sure there's going to be delays until they get that paving done. And this afternoon, they sent out another traffic advisory. Let me see where I put that one. And let's see. Traffic on the Sanibel Causeway is being affected by a multiple vehicle crash outbound on the B span. All vehicles are pulled off to the shoulder of the road, and Sanibel Police is on scene to assist with traffic control under the Lee County Sheriff's Office. As a result, heavy traffic and delays are currently expected on the Sanibel Causeway. Sanibel Police Chief Dalton urges everyone to be patient. So yeah, if you're going on vacation on Sanibel, sign up for their alerts. And then sorry, I hear cats in the background. The really good news of the week is the Island Cow. If you're not familiar with the Island Cow, it's a great restaurant on the island. They have the best fried food, fried fish. They actually caught on fire and I don't remember now, like either April or June. They were heavily damaged, and then they're damaged completely by Hurricane Ian. And they did plan on rebuilding, and they are going to rebuild. But besides rebuilding their restaurant, because they own 2.5 acres of property, they are going to build 7 Key West inspired rentals. So if you go to their Facebook page, they have a rendering, and they look like cottages on stilts. They're brightly colored, definitely has a Key West feel. The new Mad Hatter restaurant is the same thing, it's on stilts. I mean, this is just the rendering, remember, they haven't even started building. But it's all brightly colored. I think it looks great. I think it's cool that they're gonna have 7 cottages. That's more places for people to stay on the island. Why not? I think that's a great idea. And so I'm very happy with that. I just mentioned that because there was a rumor going around last week that they weren't going to rebuild the restaurant at all, that they were going to just do the cottages. Nope, they're doing both. And the sketch looks amazing. And then I'm going to go over the police blotter real quick. Not much happened, but a couple things happened. So on September 17th, while on patrol, officers noticed a vehicle stopped partially in the road with their hazard lights activated. Upon further investigation, the driver was arrested for DUI and transported to the Lee County Jail without incident. Looking at his arrest record, he is a Naples, Florida resident. I almost dropped the cat. And he was released same day, $1,000 cash bond. This is Sage, the boy kitten. And then let's see. Other enforcement actions. On September 13th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for speeding. The driver was issued a notice to appear for unlawful speed, 72 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. A warning for not having their driver's license in their possession was issued. A recent identity theft, oh, we already talked about that recent identity theft investigation. Other enforcement, you went down? Say bye. Bye. Other enforcement, his mom's right there. Other enforcement statistics through September 12th through September 18th, there were 4 alarm calls, business and residential. There were 18 911 non-emergency calls. There were 59 radar details, 31 traffic stops, and within those traffic stops, 15 citations issued, 6 written warnings, and 11 verbal warnings. There was 1 field interview, 485 residential area checks, 177 business area checks, 1,024 total area checks, 1 reported burglary, 1 reported theft, 1,278 total CAD calls. And again, the tolls are waived on Sundays until September 24th, which is this Sunday. So this is the last Sunday the tolls are waived, but parking still $5 an hour on the island. That's all for now, and I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in another week. I'll still be posting because on my YouTube, I also post a lot on TikTok. If you're on TikTok, same 80s Toy Hunter there. I will be posting videos. They just won't be Sanibel updates because the Sanibel updates take a lot of research, and these other videos, if they post, I've done before I went on vacation. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard to do updates too early because then by the time I say the information, it's old news, and I don't want to bore you with old news. So I'll see you later.